Hello students, in last lecture we learned about the IT enabled services. In today's lecture we are going to learn recent trends in IT. The first trend which is mentioned in your textbook is green computing. It is the study and the practice of the environmentally sustainable computing or IT. The goal of the green computing are similar to that of green chemistry, to reduce the use of the hazardous material, to maximize the energy efficiency during the product's lifeline, to recycle or biodegradation of the non-functional product and the factory green waste. So ग्रीन कंप्यूटिंग इज समवॉट इक्वलेंट टू द ग्रीन केमिस्ट्री, मतलब हम लोग इन्वायरमेंटली हेल्पफुल जो कुछ भी चीजें हैं उनका हम लोग यूज करने वाले हैं, दैट इज ग्रीन कंप्यूटिंग. सो यहाँ पे हम करेंगे क्या, तो रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ द हजार्डस मटेरियल. हजार्डस मटेरियल मतलब जो चीजें हमारे इन्वायरमेंट को हार्म करती है, ऐसी चीजों का जो हमारा यूज है वो हम लोग रिड्यूस करेंगे. द मैक्सिमाइज्ड एनर्जी इफिशियंसी ड्यूरिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स लाइफ लाइन, मतलब जो कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट हम लोग बनाएंगे उसकी ड्यूरिंग इट्स लाइफ उनकी एनर्जी इफिशियंसी है वो मैक्सिमाइज मतलब इंक्रीज करने की हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज टू रिसाइकल और बायोडिग्रेडेशन ऑफ द नॉन फंक्शनल प्रोडक्ट. नॉन फंक्शनल प्रोडक्ट मतलब जो यूज में नहीं है या फिर नॉन यूजफुल जो कुछ भी चीजें हैं उनका हम लोग रिसाइकलिंग या फिर बायोडिग्रेडेशन करेंगे. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट ग्रीन कंप्यूटिंग. The next recent trend is Internet of Things, which is IoT. The Internet of Things, IoT, is the network of the physical devices, vehicle, home appliances and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuator and connectivity, which enables these things to connect, collect and exchange data, creating opportunities for more direct integration of the physical world into the computer-based system, resulting in the efficiency improvement, economics benefit and reduce the human exertion. So यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि हमारे जो कुछ भी फिजिकल डिवाइसेस लाइक होम अप्लायंसेस है या फिर व्हीकल्स है या फिर और जो कुछ भी हमारे डिवाइस है उनको हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरकनेक्ट करेंगे विद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सॉफ्टवेयर, सेंसर्स, एक्चुएटर. इन सब के मदद से हम लोग उनको एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करेंगे. सो कनेक्ट करने के बाद क्या होगा, तो हमारे जो कुछ भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है क्रिएटिंग, एक्सचेंजिंग, ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या होगी, इंप्रूव होगी. सो हमारे जो कुछ भी बिल्डिंग्स है दैट विल बी स्मार्ट बिल्डिंग्स देन एंड होम्स विल बी स्मार्ट होम्स देन. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स IoT. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द न्यू ट्रेंड विच इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग. It is the delivery of the computing services, server, storage, database, networking software, data analysis and more over the internet. So cloud computing is the on-demand availability of the computer system nowadays. Resources, especially the data storage and the computer power without direct active management of the users. So यहाँ पे हम लोग जो कुछ भी users है उनका direct interaction इतना ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. That will be cloud computing. So now next trend is data analysis, which is DA. It is the process of examining data set in order to draw conclude about the information they contains. Increasingly with the help of the specialized system and software, data analysis technologies and technique are widely used in commercial industries to enable the organization to make more informed business decisions, and by scientists and researchers to verify or disprove scientific model theories and hypotheses. So data analysis is something which is used in the organization for the commercial industries to enable organization to make more informed business decisions. This is all about data analysis, which is DA. Now let's come to the artificial intelligence, which is AI. It is intelligence demonstrated by the machines in contrast with the natural intelligence displayed by the humans and other animals. Computer scientist defines AI research as a study of the intelligence agent, any device that perceives its environment and takes action and maximize its chance to successfully achieve the goal. So यहाँ पे जो कुछ भी हमारे मशीन्स होगी वो वॉच लगेगी किसी एक पर्टिकुलर चीज पे, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द जो कुछ भी वो मशीन जिस पे वॉच रखेंगी, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वॉच इट विल टेक सम डिसीजन सो दैट वी कैन अचीव आवर गोल. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, विच इज AI. Now next is machine learning. It is the scientific study of the algorithm and the scientific model that computer system use to effectively perform a specific task without using explicit instruction, relying on pattern and interference. Instead, it is seen as the subset of the artificial intelligence. Actually, machine learning is the branch of the artificial intelligence based on idea that system can learn from data, identify patterns and make decisions with the minimal human interference. This is all about our machine learning. Now, big data. It refers to the data set that are too large and complex for traditional data processing application software to adequately deal with data. With many cases offers greater satisfaction power, while data with higher complexity may lead to higher false discovery rate. So actually here data processing system software will interact with that big data. So that is the big data trend in recent now. Now, the last trend which is mentioned in your textbook is blockchain. It is the growing list of the records called as the blocks, which are linked using cryptography. It can be defined as the distributed, decentralized public ledger. Actually, blockchain is nothing but the growing list of that records. It's called as the blocks. Now, these blocks will be linked with the cryptography, and that cryptography will interact with that blockchain. So these are all the recent trends that are mentioned in your textbook. So that much is enough for today's class. In next lecture, we are going to start with our new topic. Till then, bye bye.